India's injection molding industry 2026 4.5 lakhs machines and massive mold business opportunity. Namaskar friends, welcome to plastic industry. Today we will discuss a very powerful topic, the topic that can create huge business opportunities, a topic that can generate massive employment, and a topic that can transform India's manufacturing future. The topic is how many plastic injection molding machines are running in India, and more importantly, how many injection molds are required to run them. Once you understand these numbers, you will realize the scale of opportunity in front of India. If you are a student, a mold designer, plastics engineer, entrepreneur, and tool room engineer or tool room owner or an investor, this video is for you. India's plastics industry growth. Let us first understand the bigger picture. India's plastic industry is growing rapidly. Demand is increasing in automotive, packaging, medical, consumer products, electrical, electronics, infrastructure. Everywhere you look, plastic products are present. Behind every plastic product, there are three key things. Number one, raw material. Number two, machine. Number three is mold. Without mold, there is no production. Simple. Now, let us estimate the installed machines. Now, the big question, how many injection molding machines are running in India? Exact numbers are difficult. There is no single public database. But based on industry experience, major machine manufacturers, importers, refurbished machines, MSME processors, and CAFT production unit, my practical estimate is around 4.5 lakh injection molding machines are installed and running in India in 2026. Yes, it could be around that figure, 4,50,000 machines. Think about the scale, that is massive. From small 50-ton machines to large 3,000-ton machines, India has become a huge plastic manufacturing hub. Now let's calculate the mold requirement. Now comes the real story. One machine does not run only one mold. No, each machine requires multiple molds. Let's see, small processors might use 5 to 20 molds, medium processors 20 to 100 molds, large companies 100 to 1000 molds. Now let us take a conservative average, only 10 molds per machine. Now calculate 4,50,000 into 10 equals to around 45 lakhs mold. That means India may need around 45 lakh molds. Let that sink in. 45 lakh molds. This is enormous. Now mold import reality. Now comes the shocking part. India still imports a large number of molds. Main importing countries from where India imports are China, Taiwan, Japan, Germany, Korea, Portugal. And why? Because high precision mold making requires advanced design, high speed machining, skilled manpower, precision inspection. This is where India still has huge scope for improvement. Every year, thousands of crores worth of business goes outside India. This is a major opportunity. Business opportunity, let us understand. Let's calculate the business potential. Suppose average mold value is only rupees 3 lakhs. Some mold cost 50,000, some mold cost 5 lakhs, some mold cost 50 lakhs or more. But average, let us assume it's 3 lakhs. Now, assume annual replacement plus new demand is only 5%. So 5% of 45 lakhs is 2,25,000 molds per year. Now multiply 2,25,000 into 3 lakhs equals to 67,500 crore market. Yes, 67,500 crore yearly market potential. This is huge, absolutely huge. Now, what is the job opportunity? Now comes the employment opportunity. Mold making creates highly skilled jobs. Industry needs product designers, mold designers, CNC programmers, VMC operators, EDM operators, tool room engineers. Also quality engineers, service engineers, trial engineers, processing engineers. Potential employment around 5 to 10 lakh skilled jobs, and these are high value technical jobs. This is why I always tell students, if you want a future-proof manufacturing career, learn mold design, learn plastic processing, learn tooling. Huge opportunities are coming. So, what is the conclusion? India has machines, India has market, India has demand. Now India needs world-class mold makers, because remember this, machines don't create value, molds create value. The future belongs to those who understand plastics, tooling and manufacturing. If India develops strong mold making capability, opportunities are unlimited. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. See you in the next video.